Hello, amazing young minds. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I want to share some simple but powerful advice that I wish someone had shared with me when I was your age. Firstly, it's okay not to have everything figured out. Life is a journey, and it's perfectly fine to take one step at a time. Don't stress too much about the future. Focus on making the most of the present. Next, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are not the end. They're lessons in disguise. Learn from them, grow stronger, and keep moving forward. Remember, every successful person has a story of setbacks and comebacks. Surround yourself with positive people who uplift you. Your friends should be your biggest supporters, not those who bring you down. Choose your circle wisely. It can make a huge difference in your life. Now, let's talk about studying. I know it's not always the most exciting thing, but education is your key to unlocking a world of opportunities. Find a way to make learning enjoyable, set goals for yourself, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Dream big. I mean really big. Your dreams are the fuel that propels you forward. Don't let anyone tell you they're too ambitious. Believe in yourself, work hard, and you'll see those dreams turning into reality. Take care of yourself. Mental and physical well-being are crucial. Don't neglect your mental health and find activities that bring you joy. And hey, don't forget to get enough sleep. It's not just for kids, it's for awesome, hard-working students like you too. Lastly, be kind. Kindness is a superpower. It costs nothing, but can mean everything to someone else. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. So, young leaders, keep going, keep growing, and never underestimate the incredible potential within you. The world is waiting for your unique brilliance, so go out there and shine. Thank you, and remember, you've got this.